Hey everyone, we're back for a day 3 talking about how to use Mookaite. When deciding to meditate with Mookaite, hold a piece in whichever hand you feel best, or you can place a piece of Mookaite on whatever specific chakra you're trying to work with. And while sitting on the earth or standing or sitting barefoot, visualize yourself connecting with the earth's energy. Carry Mookaite with you when you're needing to make an important life-changing decision, and this is also great if you bring it on trips, vacations, and adventures. An affirmation you can use with Mookaite is by saying out loud, I am strong, my inner core is powerful, I am physically and mentally focused and emotionally balanced. If you're looking to place some Mookaite in your home, you can place it in the south area because it'll help bring success and positive energy into your home. By placing them in the northeast area, it will bring inspiration into our homes, while placing them in the southwest area will bring passion, warmth, and positive energy into our marriages or a partnership. You can also put Mookaite under your pillow at night before you go to bed to help you recharge. Mookaite can be cleansed in water or by placing it in the sun for a short period of time, of course, or you can use smoke cleansing.